Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. And we're going to find out why it received 4.5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Introducing the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker, your ultimate companion for refreshing beverages and endless fun. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a family gathering, or simply craving a cold drink, this ice maker delivers perfectly shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With its sleek design and compact size, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen or bar setup. Easy to use and equipped with an intelligent control system, the Silonn Ice Maker ensures you never run out of ice. Say goodbye to the hassle of ice trays and elevate your entertaining game with the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. Convenience and quality at your fingertips. So how exactly do you use it? Out of the box, place your ice maker on a flat surface near an electrical outlet. Wipe down the inside with a damp cloth before the first use. Open the lid and fill the reservoir with clean water, ensuring you don't exceed the max fill line. Plug the ice maker in and press the power button to turn on. Choose your desired ice cube size, small or large. The ice making cycle will begin automatically. Ice cubes will be ready in approximately 6 minutes. Once the ice is made, it will be deposited into the ice basket. Open the lid to collect the ice using the included scoop. Monitor the water level and refill as needed to ensure continuous production. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.